expert training. So we'll get started with the Exadata workshop, and I'm going to be your trainer today, and let's get started. Yeah. Okay. I request to mute yourself. Yeah, if there are some questions, we can unmute. There will be a Q&A session at the end of this training session. Okay, the training agenda, since this is an introductory session, I'm just briefing the whole training exercise, what we'll be going through, the agenda for the training. So we are going to we're going to learn about Exadata. So Exadata as such, an engineered system. So we have to understand the overview, the architecture of the Exadata, and what are the key capabilities of Exadata, and then some of the initial configuration stages we'll be discussing, and then we'll be discussing the architecture of the database server, and we also have something called storage server along with Exadata. Storage server was something that database as a traditional database, we were never dealt with storage. So in Exadata, we're going to deal with storage as well. Along with storage, we are also going to deal with network. So InfiniBand, we're going to discuss about InfiniBand, and then we'll move into Exadata features, which are most critical component of the Exadata, and we'll spend time in learning about the IORM, which is called Input-Output Resource Management. We'll talk about the recommendations for optimization, database performance, and using SmartScan, and there are other features as well. I've just not highlighted in the summary page. Then we'll talk about consolidation. Why would customer buy Exadata? What are the recommendations that are coming in, and how do you consolidate your IT infrastructure? Okay. Then how do you migrate your existing estate of database from regular VMs or commodity servers to Exadata machine? Okay. Then we will go and talk about how do you monitor and manage an Exadata? How do you look into the alerts? How do you resolve issues? So we'll talk about more about monitoring each of the component: database server, InfiniBand, storage server, and other components which are surrounding the Exadata machine. Okay, and we'll talk about some of the most useful monitoring tools that a DBA will be using on a regular basis. I should not call them as a DBA. In Exadata world, the DBA has been renamed, or any system administrator has been renamed into a different role, which is called DMA. We'll talk about that in the next few slides. Then comes the regular operational activities: backup recovery, maintenance of Exadata, patching Exadata, upgrading Exadata, scaling out. So as demand increases, scale out happens, upgrade has to happen. So we'll talk about how in Exadata all these are covered, and also all these topics have some kind of practicals associated with it. Okay. So let me get into the objective of this course. What exactly we are trying to learn from this? Okay, so we're going to try to understand the key features, okay, the benefits, the capabilities of an Exadata